Hi everyone, so we're done with the remarks and the remaining stocks as well as the conditional formatting in our Microsoft Excel exercise. So what we're going to do right now is to have some sort of a visual representation of how it would look like if ever we are going to use a chart. So to do that, first you need to highlight the cells that should be included in the chart. First, you need to hit your control key. No, first you need to highlight the product name area from the product name heading up to French fries. Then afterwards, you're going to hit your control key or CTRL key on your keyboard without releasing it. Then highlight the remaining stocks area. Since these two are the most important factors in the inventory system, so I'm highlighting both of them. Then once you have highlighted both of them, you can just release your CTRL key on your keyboard or the control key on your keyboard. Then proceed to the insert tab. After the insert tab, you can choose from different charts in here in the charts box. I'm going to prefer the simple one. So for example, I'm going to choose this one. And there you go. So as you have noticed, we have already created a simple visual representation of the stocks that we have, or the remaining stocks on our inventory system. Now if you want to change the layout of your chart, you can just choose it from here. So for example, I'm going to choose the dark one. There you go. And you have noticed that spaghetti is kind of diminishing already, so you have an idea that which one is the most saleable item on your sales chart. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.